I'd like to take this opportunity to greet and recommend our faculty, students, parents, and the staff for this hour. I, Neha Keswani, alumni of Electronics and Telecommunication Department of 2017 batch from D.Y. Patil School of Engineering Technology. As a result of constant support and guidance from the Electronics and Telecommunication Department, I am currently working at NVIDIA Graphics since 3.5 years, and it has been a great experience here. I'm thankful for the members of Electronics and Telecommunication for their support and efforts. Apart from the academic experience, we also gain the benefits of ETSA, that is Electronics and Telecommunication Student Association, where we conducted many functions and events. They always motivated us for overcoming the failures and learning new things. Like the environment at Electronics and Telecommunication department was very good. In case of faculty, they were friendly, supportive, and they helped us anytime, anyway. They conducted industrial visits for the study purpose, and we gained a lot of practical knowledge there. And apart from these visits, we also had the fun trips, which were a great exposure outside in case of teachings and the fun. So I thank for the Electronics and Telecommunication department for these days and the memories to cherish, and it was a great experience of 4 years here. About the college experience, the culture of the campus defines the future professional competence and the career success of the students. It not only collaborates students for the academic spirit but also nurture their talent with enthusiasm to enjoy the college days, where I was a part of sports, culture, technical, and many other events. About the placement cell, it was very good. Our ma'am Shweta Sharma, who was TPO, Training and Placement Officer, who would constantly conduct drives and make sure that each and every student should get the opportunity to attend the drives and give their best and get the best offer for them. Apart from engineering, there are many more fields which one can opt for, like MBA, dental, architecture, and many more. Also, the college has provided us with many equipped facilities like transportation, well equipped libraries for studying, and internet facilities. I hope the gains made from the past and the present make your future bright. All the very best for your future students. Thank you.